Hello, in this video we're going to look at the effect of work on a system's energy. So it turns out that the change in energy of a system, not necessarily just mechanical but total energy of a system, is equal to the external work done on that system. Of course, the external work done could be a positive or negative number, and so the total energy of a system could increase or decrease as an effect of that work. So, just a picture to have in our heads. Our system is something, okay? We don't really worry about what it is at the moment. And we can have positive external work, and that adds energy to our system. Or we can have negative external work, remove energy from our system. And when we say external work, what we mean is the net external work, so the total effect of all of the forces acting on a system. Now, here's an important warning for you. If the external force doesn't do any work or doesn't transfer any energy, then it can't change the internal energy or the total energy of a system. And an external force can't do any work if the source of that force isn't moving. Okay, now let me show you an example about what I mean here. So let's suppose we have a figure skater. Well, that's not what people look like. Let's try that again. Figure skater. I'm not really drawing very good. All right, the figure skater with horribly long arms pushes up against a wall. And thanks to that push with her horribly long arms, she then goes flying away from the wall with some velocity, okay? So some questions for you. First question. Did the wall do work on the skater? The answer is no. That wall did not do any work on the skater because the wall didn't move. Yes, there is a force right here between the wall and the skater, but that force isn't transferring any energy. There isn't energy coming out of the wall and into the skater, therefore the wall is not doing any work. Another way of thinking that is the wall didn't move. Okay, well, clearly the skater has more energy after than before. After all, we've got some kinetic energy here that we didn't have before. So where did it come from? Well, did the skater do work on the wall? And the answer is no. The wall didn't go anywhere. No energy went out of the skater and into the wall. So no. Okay, there's only one possibility left, and that's the answer. Did the skater do work on herself? And the answer is yes. That's where the energy came from. So it came from the internal energy. It came from the skater's breakfast. She turned that energy, a potential energy, into a kinetic energy by pushing her arms against a wall. Really, she pushed herself along the ice. So be careful about that subtle difference here. In most cases, this isn't going to be an issue you'd run into, but still, conceptually, you want to keep straight. What are things that are doing work on a system versus a system basically just doing work on itself? All right, see you in the next video.